So I've gone and done it. I've got myself a new set of wheels for the Ferrari. As you can see, I've already got a wheel off. And that's not to show you guys what they are, but they are sitting here. So 2 boxes, 2 out of 4, still waiting on the other 2 boxes, so can't put all 4 on. Can't show you guys what I got. But what I do want to say is they look amazing. They look next level, just what I wanted. Probably not what you guys would put on, but hey, my car, I do what I want. Take a guess what you reckon they are, drop a comment below. Just a super quick video. I'm off to SEMA, probably while you're watching this, actually I'm at SEMA. So it'll be 2 weeks before you see it. It'll be on the ground, all the wheels on, looking bloody extra awesome. It's gonna be good. I'm losing my words. I'm excited. I mean, I could take you guys over here right now, flip this around, take the camera down here, show you guys what they are. As long as you can see everything I show you now, try and get some hints, take a guess what they are. What I can tell you, these are the front pair. All right, here we are, into the box. What do you guys reckon? What do you reckon they are? There they are. That's what that looks like. Even that looks pretty cool. But yeah, that's going on the front. See the spacer there from the Speedline wheels. I'm excited. What I have discovered, I reckon I got a lot of toe out on the front, where the car doesn't drive that amazing. But for now, you guys are gonna have to wait, as I am waiting on the other pair of wheels. When I get them back, I'll get tyres on them, and then we'll do some hell of glamour shots. But get excited, let me know what you think I've ordered, and yeah, let me know what you'd put on here. If this was your car, what wheels would you run? I mean, I've got Panasports for this too, to be honest. I mean, I've put Panasports on every car. I've got a set of 4 of them in 17s and 18s. If anyone wants to buy them, yell out, because they just didn't suit the look I was after.